It's punching. My dog is out the killers, my dog is out the booters, and all my niggas killer. We gon' run up in the field. My dog is really juggling. My dog is out the killers, my dog is out the booters. Say we gon' do a jump. They messing up the block. We run and stake the job. All my niggas really shoot. We gon' stay with the block. All my niggas up the market. We got the dirty stuff. We spinning up the market like we got it till the clock. All my dogs is out the killers. No, we smoking that gas. We gon' roll up in that field like we smoking this mask. Now that nigga really big. Catch him out the fucking door. How he like doing no tool. He ain't catch him out that phone. Now I'm posted out that market. My 30s don't race. I keep him out that shit. And we gon' keep the game. I gotta spin the game. I'm gon' get that hit. If I smoke him in no blunt, I gon' go and spin the game. My niggas really with me, we gon' get fucking busy. If you smoking 950, you can't get fucking with me. Cause I'm smoking on your neck. I'm a dog, get your pants, roll it up. I'ma get it, cause my niggas rollin' fast. Call a shooter, I keep ducking, plus my niggas don't miss. No, we running up the block, can't you is a fucking bitch. That's we smoking on your dead, man. Now we catch you, we gon' be fucking dead, nigga. Cause I ain't fun, cause my drums don't fucking miss. Call pressure, might you get with me. Yeah, these niggas out, all my niggas got them rocks. Heavy shots, pistol bang, bust his head, wet that lane. Catch ya out that market, cause I bustin' his brains. Yeah, my niggas don't miss, cause we catch him out that store. Locking out, fool, you a dumbass nigga, keep a tool. Next time we gon' see you, we gon' bust your fucking head with them 2 to 3s, cause them niggas don't fucking miss. Running off the field, I'm dropping out, what? Fucking school, I ain't checking. I'm back to the block, what? Nigga, block is getting hot. Now we posted up there now. What the fuck y'all niggas doing? Back in that booth out here. Yeah, them niggas purging, we ain't swerving. We ain't fucking scared, cause my niggas, I ain't nervous. Catch ya out up that field, my nigga really riding. Catch ya out, he gon' die. Yeah, nigga, you's a bitch, how you fucking ride it? And how that shit fucking man, you a fucking snitch. And I'ma bust your ass without fucking glitch. I get you hit with them 30 sticks and I ain't fucking missing. You wanna run me on me, you can get busy. Cause we don't smoke 50 and get with me. I'm the hottest out here. What you tryna do? Tryna watch you fucking cruise. All my niggas in the back where we got fucking bread. We ain't fucking broke no more cause we got hundreds and bread back. Now we really up the block. The market's high, catch ya out up that target, what? And Teddy's on my ass. Now I'm in a stoop. I got a bag, what you want fucking do? Come to the stoop, running it up so fast. Now I'm back in that shit, and I ain't finished. Went to the stoop yesterday in the morning. I ain't had shit. Now I woke up in the bed. All these niggas said what happened, bro? I was on my fucking ass. I ain't had nothing to do. Now I got a fucking bag.